The first step file, we will import the 3D models. Edgecam can be capable of importing all the CAD. Using the fit stack, we can create the stack. Of course, we have a different model to import the stack. Casting or forging stack, we can import it. Go to fixer database, define the fixes and define the what is the clamping distance and select the machine. Now I am selecting LMW JV55 machine and select the predefined toolkit. Step 2 setup is over. Then we can go to third setup, features. Find features. It will automatically find all the machinable features in the model. Packet, open packet, holes. When we come to machining, we are going to use the automatic method. We have a plan and apply method. If we click plan, it will create the process sequence for the entire component. And if we say apply, it will create the entire toolpath for the component. Based on the Edgecam default strategy, it will read the features. Based on that, it will select the appropriate tool in the tool store. Then it will create the toolpath automatically. We can check the process sequence. Once the simulation is completed, we need to generate the NC code for creating the report.